Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a crab. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. So first let's draw an oval shape for the shell. Now let's draw the eyes, claws, now the crawling legs on both the sides and the mouth. Now using a black marker or a black pen, let's draw the outline. After completing the outline, let's erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.